Hello, Madam Chamaka. Hello. So after I service you yesterday night, you no gree send me my money, Madam Chamaka. After I service you yesterday night, you no gree send me my money. What I do you? What I do? Me no wash your panty wear. Eh? So I no wash up. Okay, because I no wash your panty wear now. The reason why you no want send me my money. Madam, if you dey wear panty now, they buy small panty they wear. No, you say you go buy that kind of big panty wear. They tell me say make I they tell me say why I no wash and wear. I dey do home service now. You call me for work, I can't work for you. Why you no want pay me my money? They tell me say I no wash your panty wear. What you concern me with that your big panty? Okay, make I go look for another person. No problem, Sha. No problem. You go still call me another day. Make I look for another person now. No problem. Hello.
Hi.
Good evening.
What's up?
Fine. She you dey hear wetin I dey talk?
I dey hear you now.
Somebody wey just book me. I dey do I be home service boy. So this madam now come book me yesterday. I say book me o. After I do everything, I even massage them. I dey massage people. They wash pants, they wash brand. They do like everything where you need to make I do for you for inside house. I go do them for you. After I do finish now, madam come dey tell me say I no wash pants well. So imagine that kind of thing. So me, I no wash pants well. Now the reason why I say she no fit send me my money.
Supposed to wash the panty now.
Which one be I supposed panty wey dey like bedsheet? If na you,
Jesus. As I know this now. You get what I call last month. Now waiting me say they para too much like this. So I said the guy can't do you not even wash anything. I can't tell him say I take na money na 250.
250,000.
250,000 I pay the guy. The guy you not even wash anything.
You know wash the panty.
You know wash now. Me I dey do am normal like they do am. But now the problem is say the guy don't even do me anything. You don't even do me wetin I like. Now you can't do free. I can't tell Ghana do the many things now. Tell me say madam you know fit you know get strength. So I got better give me the money. You know say before me and you do I don't do a transfer. Understand? I told her say make she give me the transfer back. You know, you can't carry your money they run.
You can't carry your money run.
As you like this now they mad though. As you dey like this no be person wey see.
Madam, calm down. See now people they spoil this our work. Not that people they spoil this our work.
Me I dey vex. Don't tell me say my calm down. If I see that guy, what's I go do? No go like me.
But no, the face no resemble my face.
It resemble your face, guy.
Madam, you don't resemble my face.
Resemble your face. As you like this now, I know wear like this. Now me say I come here. Say I dey look for the guy. I go carry my 250.
Madam, me no be me. No, look at my face. Say no be me.
Resemble you, bro.
No be me.
Guy na 250 now can you give this
250 no be me chop your 250 now what you dey talk I dey talk.
I swear to God wey made me if I see this guy I go carry am go put for prison me I know
if well, you see him you carry am put for prison no be madam calm down now.
The answer call now those dey look your voice no say no be this guy wey come
no be me madam no be me if you dey para no way no
be say na you resemble you bro no tell me that he resemble you guy.
You nene area.
I dey carry my 250 dey go you no even do wetin I tell you say.
Wetin this woman dey talk? I dey tell you say no be me.
No dey tell me resemble you bro. You go pay my money I no well o. Na you guy. Na you. Give me money. No dey para na you guy. As you dey answer call the girl he remember you guy. Remember you na. Resemble you. Why you give me 250 guy?
Madam.
Now to make 250 na hard guy. You know what
madam no I dey tell you say no be me. The thing is say no be me. As you come to
say they do home service they come say this guy.
No be me. They think say no be
you go give me money. Know me. Why you give me money? They talk rubbish.
You won't beat me.
I dey beat man. I know where to go.
If you dey beat man,
I know where to go. Bring my money. I go turn to 2 years. Bring my money.
Now you
give me money now. Give money now.
Now you
come do me. Why you not do your work very well? You can my TV.
Madam, they go.
I beg they give me money. I go beat you. I know where. Give money now. Let's stop now. Give my money now. They go now. As that they answer for test now you now come my money.
Madam, no be me. I say make you look at my face well. No be me. No be me because they tell me.
Now you.
Maybe now this man where they pass now.
No be. I don't even know the man. Now you. Give my money, I beg. I go change it for you here. See, time.
Madam, I don't know what you dey talk. I be one tell you say they do home.
Give my money now you now. Now you.
This woman again.
Give my money.
Give me money.
Give my money now. I will change it for you. Give my money now. I 250. No way.
Make I give you your 250. Madam, no be me. See. Calm down now. They tell you say no be me. They tell me say.
Now you.
See, I dey na prank. Do you know say I dey prank you? No be me. See. if you look, say you go see my camera.
But
Say
the call is even the guy.
no be me. I dey tell you, say no be me. Now, madam, calm down. See, I feel wash your pants. Do you understand? Me, I dey.
No, they wash again. No, the one we wash.
Calm down, madam. If you know they serious, I go leave you. Look for another person, man.
No, they do.
You know they do. Alright, then you stay now. If you know they do, man. They go now. Now you good. They finish. Now you turn that go fire.